Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh, right. Ammo. Dang. Not enough scrap. We hardly find scrap like that. And herbs. I be thinking we find a lot more than we actually do. But anyways, let's go find the power. Duke ain't want to tell us anything? Or give us some directions, bro? Thought we was like this. Hey, speak of the devil. Ooh, what's this? The power, hopefully. Oh. Ah, useless.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm pissed too. Oh, we're gonna look for that device. Do we really go down? Looks like there's a pathway over here too, no? Oh no, that's just where we came from. Oh. Man, maybe I should start knifing them, bro. I'll be wasting ammo. Oh, sweet. I wonder if we can combine that. Nope. Just valuable. Something can go in that necklace. This crank is old and busted. It feels like it's going to snap any second. I hope it doesn't break. The only other one we have is over at Windmill 2. So that's where we're on our way to. Oh no. Go down, bro. It scares me that I can't look down while I'm going down the ladder, bro. Dang, bro. This fish fucked up this whole reservoir. I hope Fishflix doesn't see me walking across. Yeah, let's break that. Use the knife. I'm glad.
Not looking in fish food.
Hurry. Do we have to run for it? Oh my gosh. Then please, bro. What? What else do I need to hit? Oh my gosh. I'm ready to die. We breaking the barrel first. Go, 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 go. This fish sure is giving us a lot of time. Oh, sweet. That's the power, right? Yeah. Ew. Ethan got guts. Oh, he been through all the weird stuff already. Oh, we need to push that down. Alright, we need to get back up. Oh my god. Chill out, bro. I'm just flipping shit. Oh, there's a time limit. Gotta go. Nah. This is not right. Okay. So I got a time limit. Oh! I'm so scared. Whoa, 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 whoa! Was I supposed to shoot it? Am I supposed to kill it? I don't think I can, bro. Or is that the guy that fell in? Is he trans? Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Did he get me? Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Bro's an Olympic demon. A lot of convenient platforms, I'll tell you that. Nice. Not nice. There's always time for breaking barrels, y'all. What? Ah. That's why we had to get the ammo over there. What? I don't have any. I could have sworn I just picked some up. Heavy explosive rounds. Alright, at least we can grab it. I could have sworn we put some. Oh, because I died. Is that it?
Caught myself a big one.
For real? What's so funny? Yeah, we do. You're choking. Oh, reload. What? Is he sinking the well? I mean, the windmill? I don't want to stay and find out. Oh my goodness. I see you, bro. That's what we need. Now, how do we leave? I can't climb. Yeah, you're right. Can we jump off? Bruh. Oh, maybe we just crank it. What did that do? Oh. Your solution is just keep going up, Ethan. It's not like he can dive in the water, because if he does, he's cooked. We were not supposed to cut this. Oh. Oh. Woo. Ethan, bruh. You are a secret special agent, bruh. Why would Chris ever want to, like, just get rid of you? Doing it with 3 fingers on his left hand, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah. Nah, that's so funny, bruh. Bro really found time to crack a joke while we're getting chased by fish flakes. Now what? Oh. The pattern. I see it on the right over there. That blue? What are that? Both blue? Oh no, because it's black right there. I actually gotta do it. Alright. They're smart. And then this was orange. Right? Bruh, I feel stupid, bruh. Alright, the left is blue. Top. Oh my gosh, I'm tweaking. This is white. That's blue. No, this should be orange. This should be white. And this should be blue. Nice! It's genius, bro. An IQ of 100?
Got it.
Nice. Hopefully that takes out the fish too. Find a way out. Alright, sweet. I'm assuming we just go back. Ew. Glad we don't have to fight him yet. Escaping him does seem like it's gonna be quite the task. Anything else in here? October 1st, a sunny day. Mother Miranda bought me 5 peoples from the village just like I asked. I made them sleep with some liquid and then I put Cadeau in their tummies? What is that? 4 of the people from the village are dead this morning. 1 is almost lichened. I sent it to my lab on the mountain. I failed again. Mother wants strong vessels, but I cannot get any. I will need more people from the village. Ew. Woo! Yes, sir. Nice. Now we got a switch on it, bruh. The pistol looks nice. But interesting. Maybe that big wolf was like one of his experiments. I can only assume. Why do I regret jumping down here? Whoa! What am I supposed to do? Kill him? It's the only way. Oh my gosh. Does blocking do anything? Alright, maybe we can get some sniper shots and it opens. Ugh. Nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so much damage. And I guess our only opportunity is when... Oh, a barrel. Alright, we can use that. Come on. Got him. Oh my gosh. Any other barrels here? Explosive ones. They are giving us a lot of stuff though. Oh yeah, the mines. We can use that. Where is he? Hey, bro. What? Oh, I gotta hide indoors. I gotta get out. No. No way, bro. Acid rain. That was kind of 5 head. Dang, I didn't think it was going to be a boss battle off the jump just like that. But now that we can use the mines is a good idea. So we're going to equip that immediately. Nice. Okay.
I guess I gotta do this.
The second mine didn't work as well. They sure give us a lot of stuff. Whoa! Alright, so we actually have to kite it. Oh my gosh. Chill out, bro. Where's he going? No! I have to make sure I don't block it. Or at least be far away from him. He is after me. Got him. Oh my gosh. Keep running. We'll go the other way. Snap. Alright. He's gonna do it. Can we craft any mines? I have a pipe bomb too. I should just throw everything at this guy. Ugh. Right, we have to see where it goes. All right. Equip them pipe bombs, boy. This fish is so ugly. Okay, so I guess we use the explosion. Oh, we got some mines too. To open them up and then get the shooting at them. Alright, that didn't work. We missed. We suck. We're failures. Where's he going? Oh, he's doing the big boy spit again. Can we craft any explosive rods? Nope, we wasted everything. Flashbang! I didn't mean to grab that! Alright, whatever. We're fine. Alright, oh, we could just double. Oh, I've been wasting my shots. Good to know. Alright, who's coming this way? Got him. Alright, we gotta go. Oh my gosh, bro. This guy. Not doing it though. What? That's touching me? Just walk into the mine, bro. Oh, we got a lot of damage right there. I don't think we have any more explosives. Oh my god. Do we have enough? Oh, okay. We have another mine. We can just use this. Calm down. Oh my god. No! No! Oh, we got him! I thought he was murdering me. Stop, drop, and roll. Dang, bro. I guess I was prepared for that fight. Oh, that was hard. Who taught him those one-liners? Leon? What a fight, bro. I thought I was underprepared, but they actually did give you a lot of good stuff. Yo, are we gonna run into Chris again? You think he was just on the mountain or at one of the fucking windmills with the binoculars watching us and shit. Type. Oh, back to the TV room. Mother Miranda gave me a rose jar. No one likes me, which is why I thought they would leave me out again. But Heisenberg said that was why we each get a rose. The ceremony cannot happen without all us there. Well, unfortunately, all of you won't be attending because I'm going to be killing you all. Sweet. We got all 6.
You're better off than I thought.
Who's that?
Oh, come on. We just met a while back, not that it really matters.
You're
That's the
last
metal bender.
asshole in my way, aren't you?
You've got fight. I'll give you that, Ethan. But what's the plan when you have all 4 flasks?
Get my daughter
What are
back.
you trying to get at?
I could lend you a hand.
Not trying to get on my good side?
Oh, don't get cocky. I'd kill you if you weren't worth the trouble. There's a stronghold not too far outside the village. Go there and get my flask. Do that, and you pass. First, head back to the graveyard.
Self-centered prick.
Yeah, I don't trust that, bro. That screams trap. Kadu. Oh,
Is that alive?
can we collect it? That's what it said on that journal. Alright, well, I guess that was it for this place. Right? Oh. Look at that. More to explore. Typical. But before we leave, let's explore then. Like I said before, this gotta be a trap, bro. I don't know where Ethan's going, but dang, this elevator's long. Did it really take that long to get down there? Or is this one of those like loading screens? Yeah, get me out of here, bro. I hate that moldy, stinky, doo-doo mine shaft, bro. You gonna save too. Don't forget to save. Right, we can use the crank now. Oh wait, no, we already did all that. Dang, how do I get the orbs? Bruh. Nice. Hey, come back. I need y'all. I need y'all for my diet. Oh, too much noise is going on here. Dang, they moving, bro. Homie, post it up. Like I taught you. Oh, did I just think about it? Whoa. Either my gun got really strong or it just got really weak. What is this place? What the? Yo, get on me, bum. Yes. Okay. We appreciate the sniper rifle ammo back. Ugh, I didn't even realize, bro. Just dead horses, bro. Nope. Smelled you a mile away, bro. Actually, I have plenty of ammo too. That's not the way. Make sure all these houses get cleared. It's almost looked like where it was at last time. I hear you eating, bro. No more. Mother Miranda gave me a mountain. Now I can do lots and lots of Kado experiments. I did 3 Kado experiments today, but they all went pop and made a mess. I put in the Kado and then I tried putting wolf blood from a needle into the spine. The person wriggled a lot and then killed my assistant. I could not hold it down, so I put it in a cage. Now I have to feed it. Is that thing in the jar? I hope it's not one of them big boys outside. Oh, baby. Let's just look outside first. I hear his big ass, bro. Hello? Where is it, though? There he is. We're gonna fight it. Whoa! It didn't even step in the mine! Come on, bro. Just walk in that for me, please. Good boy. Do it for this one, too. Woo-hoo-hoo! Is it coming? Dang! Dang! Get off! What? He just jumped over it. This thing is scary, bro. Oh my gosh. It said forget my feelings in the mine. Got him. Yeah. Because we need that. I'm going to need your skeleton, boy. Alright, the mines and the sniper rifle are a devastating combo. That's what it seems like. Oh, snap. There's something over here. Ooh, it's the ball. For which one, though? Oh, we couldn't. We could have went either direction. Oh, yeah, we could have. Sweet, we got the ball. Which one's the mermaid one, though? Oh, yeah, I want to use this Magnum, bro. Let's examine it. Oh, my God. Compared to this thing is broken. As a pistol? Ooh. We might gotta use both. Because they take different ammo types. Yeah, we can work with that. What? Where does this take us? Over here? The labyrinth puzzle. Were you doing that before? Well, I guess that was just some extra shit we didn't need. Or we could have used earlier, but doesn't matter now. Thank you for the free shotgun ammo. Oh yeah, we're having this out at all times too. Oh man, I low-key am sad that I wasted those pipe bombs the way I did. Flashbangs. Still have yet to use those. Wait, how do we leave? This is the question. Oh wait, was this just a side area? I think I was supposed to leave the original way, but instead I picked up mermaid ball. Okay. Yeah, let's just leave then. We got a skeleton for it too. I thought it was the next place to go. No, we just leave out the normal exit. wait, was this the ball for this area? Before we leave, always make sure. Is this it? Mermaid ball. Oh snap! I think it is. Dang, bro, we need to go back to that other place. We're missing something, bro. Oh, this one's pretty easy. Noise. Oh. I spoke too fucking soon, bro. Slowly. These puzzles are low-key annoying. But we gonna get through it, y'all, together. Alright, let's do this slowly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, lean it back like that. Let's make sure it's going where it needs to go. Okay. Move it down. Nice, we got it. Wasn't too bad. Dang. That looks like money. Very valuable too. We making money. This way. Alright, I guess we're starting to test immediately. He's making it painfully obvious where I'm supposed to go. This way, Papa. Ew. That was weird. Don't do that again. Back to the graveyard. Oh, he opened the door for us. Roses, wait. That looks like legendary meat. Come here. Oh. They look so majestic, bro. Just for me to shoot them down, bro. For my fat gullet. May you slumber for a short while. Ooh. Dang, this gun feel nice. Ooh, I wonder if we should have ran a Duke. Good luck. Yeah, maybe I'll run the Duke first.
Ah, my apologies.
Oh, he has the Cudio jar,
Do you
bro.
have enough firepower? I can now offer an expanded weapon modification service.
Sweet. We got extra upgrades. First, we gotta sell though. Sell that. The crystal wing. The crystal beast. Oh yeah, definitely sell that. And the skull that they gave us. Money.
This is Lord Moreau's? I suppose it's what they call the beauty of the grotesque.
Dang, he got nothing for us to buy. Could buy out all his ammo, but let's do that after we get everything we need. Oh, bro, I like this pistol. But for really, we should upgrade the shotgun. If anything. Actually, nah,
These hands are more dexterous than one might think.
in the shotgun. Yo, we're strong. Alright, we can't get any more upgrades on that. Maybe the pistol. Go upgrade the pistol.
One moment, please.
Oh yeah.
Food is life.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah,
Good
wait.
day then.
Hold on,
Oh,
bro.
good. I was just thinking of ways to pass the time.
Let me see what you got for me to make. Yeah, I haven't seen a single fish yet.
Carry on. We've gathered all the ingredients. Now. Here it is. Please,
Ta-da.
join me. To think such a dish could be had in this winter-bound frontier.
Oh, it goes up to 20. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. I can't wait to continue going. It seems like we're progressing through this pretty quickly, and we're finding a lot of stuff. I think we're in a good spot. Like, we have ammo, a bunch of upgrades, a ton of loot. Next time, we can just max out on ammo back in the shop if he doesn't have any more upgrades for me. But anyways, if you could leave a like on the video, rain down in the comments, and smack that subscribe button. It will help a lot, and I appreciate you watching these videos as always. And I'll see you into the next one.